we know that there are various organs of United Nations. Now, among them, yesterday we talked about General Assembly. Today we are talking about the Security Council. And Security Council is nothing but the executive body of the United Nations. Executive body मतलब ये लोग सारा decisions को execute करता है. So it has the primary responsibility to maintain international peace and security. So that is the main function. And they are the executors. You have to tell this. It's a representative of each of its members must be present at all times at the United Nations ka headquarter mein. The representative of the Security Council must always be present. Then comes the composition of the Security Council. Council में 15 members will be there. 5 permanent members. Who are the permanent members? China, France, Russia, Britain and United States of America. They are the permanent members. So out of 15, 5 are permanent members. And the regional representation of 10 non-permanent members कैसे हैं? First होचे Afro-Asian countries, 5 Latin American countries में से 2 people आएगा, West European countries में से 2 people आएगा, and East European is represented by 1 person. Now the 10 non-permanent members are elected by whom? By the General Assembly, which we have done yesterday. And General Assembly ka bhi 2/3 majority should elect them. And that too for a term of 2 years. A retiring member and a person who retires is not eligible for re-election immediately. Maybe after 4-5 years he can again be re-elected, but not exactly the next year. The presidency of the council rotates monthly according to English alphabetical listing of the members. Next comes, this is very important, it comes for short note also, that is veto power. Now, when we elect somebody, we use affirmative vote. मतलब whether this will happen or not. जैसे कि हम लोग या तो तृणमूल को या तो जिसको भी whatever बीजेपी को we can vote, so that is affirmative vote. But नहीं इसको नहीं लेने हैं बोल के जो वोट है, that is known as veto power. A negative vote is called veto power, and the vote which we give usually it is an affirmative vote. Okay. Now each member of the Security Council has only 1 vote. Decisions, अच्छा देखो, যদি কোনো regular matters होगा, मतलब এটা ভীষণ important. Procedural matters का जो vote होता है 3 तरीका से vote हो रहा है. See, decisions of procedural matters are made by an affirmative vote of 9 members, including the concurring votes of all 5 permanent members. So 9 members में से 5 members वो permanent members होना पड़ेगा, बाकी 4 non-permanent members can give vote. That is the affirmative vote. That is for procedural continuities matters. Next होचे the negative vote. Negative vote can only be given by a permanent member. No non-permanent member can give a negative vote. The negative vote given by a permanent member is called veto. The council is powerless to act if any of the 5 permanent members अगर veto दे दिया कोई भी matter पे, then Security Council has no power to carry it on. That is very important. However, abstinence from voting does not amount to veto. एबार एक कोई परमानेंट मेंबर है, मान लो वो ना हाँ में वोट दिया ना में वोट दिया, ताहले it won't be considered as veto. If you say no explicitly, that will be considered as veto. नहीं ये बात नहीं होना चाहिए के लिए तुम वोट दिया तो दैट इज वेटो. बट तुम हाँ भी नहीं बोला ना भी नहीं बोला, दैट इज नॉट वेटो. किंतु ओके, to remain silent is not vetoing at all. Okay.